In just a moment, we'll be jumping into my laptop and looking for dropshipping products that are doing over $100,000 a month. I want to show you guys how quick and easy it actually is to find products just like this. That way you can build stores around them, start running ads, and hopefully make the same amount of sales yourself. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, so the product research tool we'll be using in this video is called Zik Analytics. Now, in case you're new to Zik, this is the page it first takes you to when you log in. They call this the Market Insights dashboard, and it's gonna show you some trending Shopify stores as well as some trending products over here. And another really cool thing that they include is this upcoming events calendar. It's just gonna show you upcoming holidays and events that you can monetize and use for marketing purposes or certain releases or anything like that. Now, I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below in case you guys are interested. But let's scroll through some of these trending products right here. You can see some are doing $8,000 a month, some are doing $1,000 a month, others are doing $2,000 and $5,000 a month like this product right here. And if you want to analyze these products further, you can actually click on this little icon right here to analyze their store. And it's going to bring you to this page right here. So we can see right here we have the brand Glamiva. They're active on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as Pinterest. They have 6 different products, 790 sales over the last 30 days, and over $20,000 in revenue. We scroll down, we can see all of their products down here. You can see when each product was uploaded, how much it's being sold for, its 30-day sales, as well as its 30-day revenue. Now, one of the coolest features about Zik is that you can actually source suppliers for these products by clicking on this icon right here. It's gonna use AI and scan AliExpress to find the best AliExpress suppliers for you. That way you can plug these right into your store and start testing these products the same day. But now let's go ahead and look up some of our own products. We're gonna use the Product Explorer tool. This allows you to look up winning dropshipping products using all of this search criteria right here. You can look up certain keywords, the product type, what ad channels they're using, their minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, as well as their price. So we already know we want to find products that are doing at least $100,000 a month. So right here for revenue, we're just going to type in 100,000. I'm going to leave everything else blank and we're just going to click search. So right away, all of these products right here match our search criteria. Every single one of these dropshipping products is doing at least $100,000 a month. Some are doing just 100,000, some are doing 300,000. Other products like this laptop right here are doing $6 million a month. But obviously you guys can't sell laptops and air mattresses when you're competing with some of the bigger brands out there, unless you're a really good marketer. But for now, let's focus on some lower ticket dropshipping products that are still bringing in insane amounts of sales. We can see right here more health and beauty products. This one right here is doing $125,000 a month. From the same exact brand, we have a similar product doing over $370,000 a month. We keep scrolling down, we can see some more good products right here like this shower head. You have this glow LED mask right here. So let's learn more about this shower head brand. Let's analyze this store. I know I've talked about this store on this channel in the past, but right here we have Jolly Skin Co. They're active on both Instagram as well as TikTok, and it looks like the only ad channel they use is Pinterest. So they're running Pinterest ads and they're having some success doing so. They're doing over $400,000 a month with these shower heads. You can see their main product right here is the shower head as well as the shower head with subscription. Then they have some additional upsells like the replacement filters in this tote bag that are bringing in $40,000 a month and an additional $60,000 a month. And that shows you how important upsells are to your store, because you can have dropshipping products that are doing $200,000 and $300,000 a month, but you can make up an additional $100,000 or $200,000 a month with shipping upgrades, warranties, similar products, bundles, or anything else you can think of. The more creative you are with this, the more money you'll make. So obviously, since this store right here is doing over $400,000 a month with a simple filtered shower head like this is definitely a product that you might want to sell yourself. So let's go ahead and source a supplier for the shower head. We'll click that AliExpress icon right there, and we can look at all of these different suppliers that it provides for us. We can see that it recommends to sell these for $148. You can get it on AliExpress for about $30, $27, $19 depending on which supplier you choose. But make sure to reach out to these suppliers, make sure they're legit, look at the reviews, ask them if they support dropshipping. You always want to establish good relationships with your suppliers when you're first getting started. And you can always negotiate with them to get their pricing even lower. If I were to sell this shower head myself, I'd probably reach out to multiple AliExpress suppliers when I'm first getting started and try to get this product cost down to around $12 to $13. That way you can sell it for your $150 pricing point and really increase your profit margins. Because that's what dropshipping is all about. You want to make as much money as possible in as short time as possible, while turning your store into a real brand that you can sell down the line. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these AliExpress suppliers right here. We can see right away that this is actually a really good supplier. They have over 800 sold. They have high rated reviews. This is $27.85. We can message them and try to get this pricing a little bit lower. They have some content over here that we can take, clean up on Canva and use on our own website and ads. But yeah, if I was gonna sell this product, I would go ahead and reach out to this supplier. But let's go back to our list of winning products. So we found that one, that was a really good product. We found some suppliers for that. We could go ahead and sell that product if we wanted to. Here's another well-branded dropshipping product from the looks of it. They're selling it for $150. I've seen this product on AliExpress before. Actually, we can click the AliExpress icon and just find suppliers for it real quickly. So yeah, you can sell this product for $150. It's gonna cost you a little bit more on AliExpress. This one's about $50. This one's about $60 because it is a bigger product. But you can see how easy it actually is to source suppliers. Same for Alibaba as well. You can just click on that icon right here, and it's gonna find the best Alibaba suppliers. So obviously with Alibaba, you usually have to buy these items in bulk. So you can see that you're actually getting these for $19, $20, $30 a piece, compared to AliExpress where you're paying significantly more. And then you can also search for suppliers on Amazon, AliExpress like we did, Walmart, CJ Dropshipping, as well as Google. So you're not just limited to AliExpress and Alibaba suppliers. Zik will help you find the best supplier, period. Let's go ahead and close this and let's take a look at this actual store. So right here we have the brand Flow Pilates. Their website is pilatesflow.com. It looks like they are actually created last summer. They have 17 products, over 3,000 sales over the last 30 days, and over $200,000 in revenue during that time. You can actually go ahead and pull up their sales chart right here, and it's actually really consistent for the most part. They have their occasional dips in revenue, but it always goes back up and actually much higher than it was before. So this store is actually very successful. We'll go ahead and close this. They don't have any social channels. They don't have any active ad channels. So I'm not actually sure how they're generating these sales. My guess would be influencers, SEO, or some sort of TikTok organic that isn't linked up to this. You can see their best performing products down here. They have the reformer, the resistance bands, and some workout wear over here. But like we already saw, most of their revenue comes from this main product right here. You can see this reformer is doing over 140,000 on that listing. This one's doing 14,000. So overall, this is a really good niche to be in. If you guys wanted to go ahead and sell this product yourself, you could definitely add some of the other products on the store for upsells. You can go ahead and source most of them on AliExpress. Even some of the fitness products on there, you might not have a hard time finding on AliExpress. You can pretty much source anything on there these days. But obviously AliExpress suppliers should be a stepping stone for your business. Once you validate a winning product and start making consistent sales with it, you need to move on and find a private supplier. But we'll talk about that in another video. Going back to our original list of winning products, here's all of the products that are doing over $100,000 a month for other dropshipping stores right now. Like I mentioned, some of these you're not really going to be interested in selling, like higher ticket items like couches and other furniture products, unless you're a good marketer and you want to start a high ticket dropshipping store. Because a lot of the higher ticket dropshipping like household products or furniture products do really well on Google Ads. Keep scrolling. We have some skin masks, vacuums. I've talked about this mattress topper in the past. They're selling it for $1,400. They're doing about $800,000 a month with this product. And I found similar products on AliExpress that you could sell in place of this. So if you're good at marketing, you could build a really good branded store around one of those. But if you're a beginner dropshipper, you want to focus on those lower ticket products that essentially sell themselves. Keep scrolling through this list, looking at all of these winners over here. Here's another really interesting product. Here's another one that I recently talked about. This digital product right here is being sold for $2,000. And if you analyze their store, it's actually doing over $1 million a month. You can see this niche store right here, Vitality Cycles. They're doing $1.1 million in revenue every 30 days. They're running all of their ads on Facebook, and they're very active on both Facebook and Instagram. Scrolling down, you can see that total health course right here. And you can see that it's bringing in over $1 million every single month. It's getting over 500 sales a month at that $2,000 pricing point. And we can go ahead and click on this product page right here to see what it's actually all about. So you can see that it's just a general digital dropshipping product. You can go on those resale rights websites and actually buy courses just like this to sell yourself. You run Facebook ads too. And it's just like dropshipping, but you're not actually shipping these products to your customers. Some people prefer digital dropshipping to physical dropshipping, but at the end of the day, it's all a fulfillment model to make money for your brand. So it's up to you on what you want to sell and what you want to do. So let's go back to this list one more time. We can see some pet products right here. This store is based in Australia, but they're doing $121,000 a month. Keep scrolling down. There's a health course one more time. There's a lamp, got some car seats. So like I mentioned, a lot of these products, you're not gonna be interested in drop shipping because it's analyzing pretty much every Shopify store out there. But when you find those drop shipping products that are bringing in significant amounts of revenue, over $100,000 a month, those are the products you want to focus on because all of these sales are current. So that means all of these brands are actively scaling these products up right now. And these are the trends you want to jump on if you want to make a lot of money with drop shipping. So like I already mentioned, I'll leave a link for Zik down below if you want to go find some of these same products yourself. Or you can just subscribe to this channel or sign up for something like our Winning Products newsletter and let me do all of the research for you. Either way, it goes without saying that Zik is by far the best product research tool out there. In under 15 minutes, we went through and found multiple products that are doing over $100,000 a month. We even found one that's doing over $1 million a month. We took a look at their stores. You can see their active ads. We found their suppliers. It's never been easier to get started with dropshipping than now. So what are you waiting for? That's how easy it is to find 6- and 7-figure winning products in 2025. I'll go ahead and leave a link for my favorite product research tool, Zik, down below. You can try that out in case you're interested, but you'll also find a ton of helpful resources down there, like my free course to help you get started and make your first few sales. Don't miss out on any of those. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.